honestly now there shouldn't be any trees left in Oklahoma. We don't know anything about the drive-in test yet, but hopefully they'll tell her something. Okay, stand by. Okay, so what happened?
I passed my test.
Woohoo! What's that paper they gave you?
Paper to go pick up my permit.
Yay!
Which I'll have 30 days.
Woohoo! And then we'll practice driving, parallel parking.
Vote. If you're already registered, you can just mark no. And you don't want to change anything?
Do you want to register to vote?
Okay.
I don't know.
Mark no.
I don't care about politics. I probably should, but I don't.
You can also be called for jury duty if you got the right to vote. I mean, if you picked the vote, so you can tell her no if you want.
I don't care about none of that.
Okay, here it is.
Neat.
Oklahoma, what does it say? Learner's permit.
Yeah.
So we got 30 days to take her to get her driving test. And then she'll know how to parallel park.
Yay.
Yay. Okay, off to work I go. It's a new day. About 2 days until we go camping on the Easter get-together. In the mail I got Nikki's boat parts he's been waiting for. And that, I'm not sure what it is. I've ordered a couple of items. Could be a bra. But anyway, we will unbox when I can get to a stopping point. Okay, so me and Sydney has been painting a house, or the trim of a house, for the price of a Volkswagen she found that she liked. Long story short, Nick, Ashley, and Bryce, Kelly, Dad all pitched in and helped us finish painting that last weekend so we could bring the car home and actually have it. So Nicky is going through Rattan. He told me he would text me, so we'll get a short interruption tone as soon as he gets closer, because he said he'd text me, let me know when he was almost home. So nothing yet, but I'm sure he's having to go slow. The weather's not too great, but he should be texting here pretty soon. And the box I got in the mail, we won't be doing a unboxing because it was my bra. Needless to say, I opened it in private. I'm just wondering how he's going to text while he's driving. He may not. A lot of truck traffic, so we'll see. I hate to stop and start, but if I have to, I will. He's not here in a few minutes. There's another one of the cars he got. So pretty. It's a Toyota Monterio. That one, and I know I'm zoomed in too far, but because I'm trying to videotape the Bug. And the Grand Prix we got for $300. The Grand Prix or Grand Am, I think it is not going to be fixable, but you know, if anything, we can break even with scrapping it. Montero, it'll be a good deal, which Charlie claimed. But I drive her around most of the time, so I'll still be driving it. I like it because it's 3-row seats. Come on, Dad. Are we waiting on Pop, baby love? We waiting on Pop? I'm hoarse today. Surprised I got a voice. Are we waiting on Pop, my dove? Is Pop almost home? Yeah. Pop's almost home, Debbie Dove. Pop's almost home. Let's go back out here, sorry. He may not be able to text and drive, so may not get a tone. What are you doing, Sid? Sydney? Not him. Okay, guess we'll pause and I'll be back. Okay, so he called instead of text. But he's passing the red barn. Should be the next vehicle. I hate being impatient. But I am. There he is, finally. With my car behind him, I wish. The flex. There's Pop. There it is. Finally. Sydney! Sydney! Sydney J! I can't holler. Too hoarse. Hold on.
How have you been, buddy?
Sydney,
Kind of
your car's
sad
here.
lately. Is everything okay in the family?
Bubbles! Did you hear me?
Bubbles. Somebody pointed out that
Yeah.
I talked to. Somebody pointed out that since I'm painting it blue, it's kind of like Bubbles off the Powerpuff Girls because she's blue.
Yes,
Bubbles.
and on, what's the name of that other show? That Finding Nemo, that's got the bubbles.
Oh yeah, he's like Bubbles. How did you
Yep.
My Bubbles.
I didn't stop in a good place, but there it is.
Hey.
What happened to you, Dad?
Boy, that you grounded me right again.
I see that.
Woo! God dang! Ratchet, where are you going? I was kind of pushing at the same time and catch up with it.
Was all the tires flat?
You don't know. I'm laying them up.
Yeah.
I've got to get up the trailer.
Yeah.
Hey, you booga booga. Hey. But, oh, man. Right
You made
again,
it.
It comes down. Woo!
That's our luck. That's the Van Patten luck.
Jump it off, it turned over, the lights come on, but it didn't want to fire off. Maybe because the plugs are fouled, and I don't know about the fuel.
All right. All right.